Hey guys, greetings from Halftiff. Today we are going to do a video on the new Google Photos lens. It was initially available in the Pixel along with the Google Assistant. Now the Google has started rolling out the new lens feature with all the Google Photos. First you have to update the Google Photos. Once you have updated, go to the photos and take an image. As you can see, a new lens option has appeared under the bottom corner of the new photos. Once you click it, it will show what are things that you can do with the Google Lens. Right now it is in the preview stage, but eventually it will come up and you say it will become a fully functional AI based photo recognition system in which you can understand what the content is inside your photos. Since this one is in a beta state, there are chances that you might not get the exact sensible result that you are looking for from a particular photo. For example, right now I'm trying for this Moto phone. Right now it is detecting that it is X4 and it is Motorola. So this happens with certain images, but there is no guarantee that it will happen with every image that you test. So right now I'm testing it out with an Angry Bird pic. Let's see what happens. So in this image, yeah, it is actually saying that it is not seeing anything clear yet in this image. So this can happen. This is basically because it's a preview image. So in this video we'll test out certain images and see what happens in each scenario. So for this we have an Eiffel Tower, and let's see what happens. So yeah, it's searching out. Now it's giving me a Google pop-up link where you can go directly to the Google, where it has already detected that it's an Eiffel Tower. So now let us test an image with a text in it. So this is a thank you note that I have downloaded from Google. So now right now I'll go and test it with Lens. Let us see if it detects the text inside the image. So yes, it has detected. So far so good. This is an image of a number plate. This is the one I have downloaded from Google. So in this one, let us see what happens if we click the lens, whether it will capture the result or not. So it's scanning now. So it has already given me which car it is, but two cars are there, not exactly right. And the text selection is perfect. It has already detected a number over there. So that one is very accurate. Now we'll test it out with some handwritten text instead of a digital one. So now this one exactly reads whatever I have written there. So this is absolutely perfect. Now let us try it out with a different handwriting. As you can see, now it is struggling to read the first part, basically because I have written it in cursive writing. So from this we can assume that you have to perfectly write the letters whichever you are using, otherwise the AI will not be able to understand whatever you are writing at. This one is an image of a product that I have shot using my camera itself. So as you can see, it has already detected it's a wheat beer, and in the text selection pretty much everything is correct except a single word which is the name of the logo. I guess it's a reason because it's already inverted in the product name. Other than that, the result that we have received from this image is very impressive. Even though it's in preview state, the Google Lens is especially a powerful tool if you want to find a text from an image or say a product or a monument. It is very helpful and saves a lot of time. So pretty much that's for me guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Have a great day.